So we decided to head out to one of Florida's parks, which is Bill Bags. And this is a great photo spot. The beach is awesome for kids because you don't get a lot of waves. At least the times I've been here, you don't get a lot of waves. And there's a lot of wildlife that you can check out. And there is a